Hey guys, welcome back to TV34 Studios. I'm going to show you a little demonstration of putting together one of these curved reflectors, as they call it, a clamshell reflector. This is a bigger one that I had. Over the weekend I had a chance to do some headshots, and I thought about maybe needing one a little bit smaller, just so I can make it a lot more portable and be able to take it on the go with me. And I'm going to use the same similar setup where I've got the soft box there, and then I got the reflector, and I've got a light behind it, and I'll let you see that real quick. There's a light behind it right there to light up the background. But this is the curved reflector, and I got a smaller one that I'm going to use. I'm going to show you just a moment how I put it all together, how simple it is to put it together and do a size comparison, compare one to the other. So stay tuned. I'll be right back after this and show you how I put together this new smaller one. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you the smaller curved reflector that I bought from Amazon. Comes in a little case right here. Nice portable carrying case that I can put everything in. The only thing about this particular one compared to the other one is that this one did not come with a light stand or a stand that I can use to put it on. So I got a little extra stand that I had here. I'm going to use that to put it on. So going to show you how quick and simple it is to put it together and all the pieces that come with it. Okay, two of the brackets. This is a little mount here to mount it on. And let's see. This is going to be the mount that we use to mount the bracket onto the light stand that we're going to use here, or the stand itself. These are the other two brackets that we've got. The two end rods. Got two of those to put those together on the end. And then it's the case. We're going to move this to the side out of the way for a second. And then we've got the actual reflector itself. Now this is the reflector. Now I've got the white one on here. Let me just pull the other piece apart. As you can see, that's the silver and that's the gold. So I'm going to show you that in a minute when I'm going to put it on, because it's going to use the white a lot of times. So just to give it a soft look, so I'm going to, as a matter of fact, let me just get this right here and get ready to put it together. Let me lay this down first. And we're going to take the rods and put them together. As you can see on there, there's an L and an R left and right. Those just click on together right there. Let me get the other left and right. Got those. And we're going to slide one into the end here. You can see that. I'm going to slide it into a little slot here. Got one piece in there. And let's get the other piece going. Almost had it. There we go. Okay, that's one. I'll lay that down and put the other one on. And I'm going to get up for just a second so I can slide that one on. Get out of the shot for a second. This one is a little bit different to put together compared to the other one that I have, but it's pretty much the similar setup and everything. Once you get them together, that's pretty much how we got it right there. And then I'm going to take, and we got to pause for a moment because the phone is ringing. Be right back. All right, we're going to get back to it. Here's the first rod I'm going to put in on the end, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, and that's the first piece of the rod that we got right there. I'm going to do the other side. You're going to slide it through the end here. You're going to just slide that in. First part. Then we're going to put the other slide in. And these just slide in. You don't have to worry about tightening them up or anything like that. So as you can see, it's almost ready to go. We are almost done. Now what we're going to do is put the bottom piece on. This is the little bracket here. Take the screw off. I'm going to put that one piece in here. And we're just going to tighten that back up. That up so you can see it. Got that part on. Now we're going to put the other side together. Let me unscrew that real quick. Okay, we got that part screwed in. We are almost done. Okay. There we go right there. There's the front part with the white reflector on it. I got the other side has the silver and the gold reflector. This is the back end here. And all we have to do is just mount this piece on here. Got that mounted on. That's ready to go. And now we can just put it on a stand. And there you have it. I'm gonna just turn it around. Let's see. Yes, you could just see just that quick how I've got a ring light over here, and just putting this reflector right here in front of me, you can see how it just lightens me up in the shot. I'll just move it to the side and you can just see the difference where it's a little bit darker right now, but if I turn it around and put it right here on me, you can just see automatically it lightens me up. So this is one of the reasons why I wanted to get one of these, so it's nice and small and portable that I can still use on the go, and I can still use it to get those headshots and things like that. So this was the quick setup putting this one together. So small one is, I think it's like 20 by 40, something like that. The size of it, I bought it off of Amazon. It's going to be a nice little addition to what I'm working with, and looking forward to playing around with it and see what results I come up with. So thanks again for watching this little piece on how to put this little kit together, this curved reflector, or as they call it, clamshell. And we'll have some results to show you in a little bit with some pictures that we're going to practice and take with it and see what we come up with. So stay tuned for more. Talk to you soon. All right, now you can see the difference between the two sizes. This is the smaller one here, and then this is the much bigger reflector that we got here. So it's like twice the size, but it's going to do exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to make sure I had one that was nice and portable, that I could carry with me on location and everything. And this seems to be what's going to work for me. So we're going to play around with it, get some shots done, and see what we come up with, and we'll have more to show you in a little bit. Okay, now I'm getting ready to do a selfie with the curved reflector. I've got a saw box that I'm using, and I've got the camera on timer. So let me come over here and hop in front of the shot real quick. And here we go. This is the selfie. This is the setup that I can use, something real portable and real easy to use on location. I just want to show you what I can do with this little small unit here that I've got, the small curved reflector. And it's going to make a big difference when I'm on location doing stuff. So I'm going to do one other thing real quick. As a matter of fact, let me do it now. Let me take I'm going to take this white one off. I'm just going to let it hang for a second. And I'm going to use the silver reflector and see how much of a difference it is. We'll do another picture real quick. So don't go nowhere. I'm coming right back. I'm just going to set the timer on the camera again. All right, here we go. So I got the silver reflector this time. And let's see how much brighter it's going to look. Just so you can have a couple of test shots to look at. Oh, yep, you can notice a big difference. All right. So that's the quick test. And I'm going to do one more just to take one without just standing over here behind the camera. Let me take the timer off and just take a single shot by itself. Let me back it up and get a full shot. There we go, right there. There we go. All right, that's going to do it for now. Stay tuned, we'll have more coming soon.